want you to just keep sharing. The topic of today, I don't know if you guys read the capture before entering the live video. The topic of today, not be small thing. Blessing Asemota, thanks for coming on board. Please press the share button. James Smith, thanks for coming on board. Please press the share button. So good evening, everyone, my people, my Facebook family, and also my second family. I love you guys so much. So our topic today, hey, now what? Even when the person they tell me safe, when the lady they tell me about this topic yesterday after my live video, I was like, I never believed say that kind of thing they exist. If you see the capture when they for this my live video now, now the capture say my husband advised me to sleep with other men. It makes him happy. I don't see that kind of thing. Joy Emmanuel, good evening, my darling sister. This lady someone call me. Say this husband in question now. Say make her husband they advise her. Make they sleep with another man. Her husband they disturb her for a very long time. Say he wants to make she sleep with another man. Not be say the husband say make he go do as in make go street go they do this thing come ashawo. No. Not be that my husband talk. His husband say he like make him they watch another man they sleep with his wife. Say he won't see as his wife go to the bone, as his wife go to the screen. You don't see this kind of one. My sister, he loud. Hey. Even when the person they tell me, I shall not understand. I can say, okay. Now, Oyibo man, there's not be Oyibo man, no. Make I shock you. They say na Benin man. Hey. Now, as the woman, I shall not understand. This Benin man, so, he don't pay your bride price. He say, yes, say, don't pay a bride price. Say, they will do court marriage, they will do everything, so. It's inside this marriage, so you don't see that kind of thing before. I said, when the woman they tell me, did it shock me? I said, no. It can't be true. It can't be true. Then the woman tell me, say, if they tell me as the waiting they happen, so say I beg. She wants make I talk her for my live video. He want see people response. I beg. He need advice on what to do. So during the process where she they tell me, she cost open up where they tell me more. So according to her, the lady say when the husband don't disturb her, say make she start to sleep with another man. Say just one watch and sleep with another man. Say the husband don't talk and now he cause okay. Oh. He say one day now, he just cause one guy ask her out. Before you know, she cause sleep with the guy. Please share this video. I want men, I beg, I want men on board. May they call here this thing. Whether that this thing they normal, because to me it's not normal. So say make the lady say so she can go do him, and she can go sleep with another man. He can come out when he come out because he don't make him do it for your husband present. He can go really do what her husband say because her husband don't disturb her. The guy, the man, they manipulate her, they disturb her, say make he just do that. He say that he go make him happy. Now what he just wants, make his wife do him. So why say when he can go do it, she can tell her, or when she reach her, she can tell her husband, say, he don't go do it till you say make him do. He say her husband, he jump, he play some assault. On us one feel bodo. Say your husband begin to happy. Your husband say, yes, that's my girl. That's my girl. You have done it. My sister. Forbidden thing, as you just talk and so. It is not normal. Forbidden thing. So now the man start to play bad dive. Oh. If you see the bad dive where your husband they play, they are peace. Yes, at least. That's what I want. That's what I want you to be doing. I want you to sleep with that man. For Europe, there, so I can't answer which country. They say that Europe, the guy there. As in, I don't understand. Things like that see they happen. So, it's after they do my birthday, they come up. You just back tell and say, this is your birthday, so what you want me to do? Now, titty some. You don't see that kind of man before. Man will marry wife, where the wife don't get children for her. He say what me and the wife do titty some. he go bring somebody come as birthday presents for his wife. Then make the person call the Fieku wife for a present. After the person don't Fieku his wife, into go see call Fieku the wife. As in, he wants me, you be say, it go be birthday gift for his wife as Stevie's son. My people, hey way. Something they happen with marriage. Una don't see this kind of thing before. I beg. May una they drop una comments. Because the sister is already on board. I've seen her. So may they drop una comments, I beg. So that make she watch this video and make she see all the comments. As she did on board with us, so make she see all the comments where una they drop. I beg. My people, men I start to they drop comments. Men I drop comments. Because I never see this kind of thing before. So when she they ask me, so now I can tell her, say, one, that man, first of all, now I tell her, say, for you don't fuck up. For you to even say you want, for you to go who try. For you to go who try and go who do that thing in the first place. Now say, this your husband, so he get plans. He get evil plans against you where you don't know. He say, if he, what did he tell your husband? He say, if your husband, this one said the woman no where. I tell you the year now. You hear that one comment? Okay. He say, she quoted the husband, say, me quoted what way they do, so don't good. Say that man, no dey normal. She quoted say if the man talk and come out, say go tell the man family. Now, cause what about if the man go tell the family? He want to say the woman go tell the family, he go tell the man family, say now the man say me do one. Now say, look at what you are saying. Now say, if the man, if your husband tell you now, say carry knife, hold the knife, choke yourself, you go choke yourself. She say no. Okay. Now say, okay, if your husband carry a tapia corn now, he say put aside this food. May you eat them face to face. You go tell you say eat them. You go eat them. She say no. So why can't be say you can't reach Fieku matter? Your husband manipulates you to say when you go Fieku, you can't really go Fieku. Now say come make I tell you what you don't know. You see this husband of it. This your husband so. Mark what I tell you so. He go use them against you. The man, this Princess Kate said the man are evil. Yes, I said it yesterday. I said, mark this my word. This man go must use this thing against you. Now say one. He said, if it's against you, he go tell everybody. Now say, people go to ask you, say, he put gun for your head. Say, man, you go to do one. He say, no. When I call to tell her all those things, say, when it comes to family, they call you for family meeting. Your husband go say, he just want to try you. Now you fall put. What I tell that lady, I say, now try your husband, they try you, but you end up falling into that man's trap. That man is only manipulating you to see if you will do it. And you can't end up falling into the man's trap. Hello? Good evening. How far? I don't like video. Oh yeah, come now. Come, you got my topic where they talk. Say me, you call listing. All right. So now I can tell her say when you go reach family meeting, this man go say na try you, and you fall put. That's what she call shock. She go say na true. This is what I talk like. Now say na true. The man you dey find way when you want to tie trap and you don't finally fall put. For you to go do one at all. Now say come. One, your husband there, first of all, that man is a narcissist. Narcissists, they don't they get empathy, they don't they get true love for person. Your husband does not love you. Any man will love you, no go want share you with any man. When your husband love you, you don't go want see, even if you're a dog to follow you play safe, you go they jealous. The woman no sing out of her marriage. If man love you, if una dog will get for on herself, if you to jump on your boy to follow you play, go they beat the dog. Get out here. Talk less of say. Now another man you will call advice you say he wants me to sleep with you. That one where that man say for your birthday, so madam, make I tell you. That your birthday where your husband say he want carry somebody come and I can't do to this some. Now video. Now you want video, you go record you. Now that man want to kill you, put for ground. Now that man want to finish your enemy. He go record you, madam. Go record you. When you go this family meeting, that one I go play for them. Ah no. What would they get sense? What no let When we know they let love they take over our reasoning. When we let love, how a man that truly loves you, that you are married to, he has paid your bride price. You go want to make another man called a fearful you. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? They know they set you up. Now set up now be. Set up, big set up. Now be big set up. Please, you guys should share. Please share this video. I want men even come on board. I want men come on board. And anybody who wants to call, number there to come and contribute. I just want like TV callers. When I come and I contribute for this thing, make this woman know say, what is she go they do so? Now very worst thing. Infinite Saga, good evening. Infinity, okay. Infinity Saga. Good evening. Good evening, my sister. Same here, darling. Same here. You understand? How married man go want making your wife when he pay money for, when he marry, you go want make up be say, you go say, me another man they fear cool and say they give him joy. He just want to see at another man, madiga out they fear cool his wife. I don't understand. Madam, that man don't, he don't manipulate you to that extent, eh? You know, couple the reason why again, because that man don't finish you. You know on your own sit down, thinker. According to her, she said the man they give her everything, no. The man they give her money. Anything when she wanted, the man they buy for her. But the man said this is a birthday where they come, so nah, he want me be say nah, he go carry man call give her, make the man fear cool for a present. Who does that, my people? I beg. Who they do this kind of thing? I don't hear this kind of thing before because me, I never heard this kind of thing for my life before. When the woman tell me yesterday night after my live video, when she called me, tell me, the thing they shock me as in, I see they think calm. I see they think calm. Say, who go fit do this kind of thing? Who go fit do this kind of thing? That man, one, for my own, I believe that man get plans. One, either that man a narcissist. The man a narcissist, he don't truly love his wife. Because narcissists are not they get true love. If they deal with woman, they go they manipulate the woman. So they make the woman they do things what the woman what do for a life. What did the woman not believe? Say he go do. Narcissist men go force you, do them. They go manipulate you, they go let you know, say, this is what they say when you do so. Now the right thing. And when you want not do it, they go disturb you, manipulate you, until you go make sure say you do it. Wait, mercy. Favor say, na mama, he go. I been a so. She lives in Europe. Yes, they're in Europe. Now Europe they day so. Now Europe they day. Now I say one, another man a narcissist. Secondly, maybe that man, now man I they do. You don't love your wife. You're married in sake of marriage. But now it they into men. Now married now as in you know what they try to talk. Maybe now gay now it be. Now as in now men eat the fear kun. Since he prefer more that man call the fear his wife. Maybe now man the fear. That's number two. Or he gets evil plans for the woman to set the woman up. Because this thing is not normal. I never see man the way they very jealous. I don't feel talking. You understand? Now if I said to woman yesterday, say, you don't watch your husband well. Maybe your husband, see what he be. Now men, they do, they like to do woman. He just marry you for marrying sake. Because I see no reason why the man go want, he go say now that thing they turn him on. Now the thing they turn him on. He just wants to make his wife sleep with another man for a present. Now they turn him on. Now that one he go get as birthday present. Your own wife, you manipulate the woman. So that's why the woman go do one. Madam, I don't understand. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Una they sabi they please men where sha. So your own husband will marry you for house go. You tell you say, may you go fear cool another man. Want me you fear cool another man. Say they make you happy. You your true pull cloth. Fear cool another man. Not be say the man. What is shock me? No, the man not be white man. No, the man a Benin man. when you tell me say this your husband a Benin man, you sure say you make research where say that man a Benin man? Because Benin men, I don't sure say any Benin man go fit do that thing, no. Me no sure. Yes, the man is bisexual. Now, I tell your wife yesterday. I tell her, say, your husband, now bisexual. I call Vusians and say, come. You they follow or you whether they use on your bone men till they do friend. Where? He said no. He said no, they use on your bone men till they do friend. You they see and so. So they use on your bone men till they do friend. Say your husband you're talking now waiting just they do, now waiting just like. That man, it is either he's bisexual or he's a narcissist or he gets evil plans against you to make sure you must come out for that marriage. Okay, Rose, Iyamu say make the woman leave the marriage. My sister, that will not be marriage, oh. That will not be marriage at all. Not be marriage. This one, so not be say tell the woman, say make the woman go they do wrong, so not be say me go they use that they make money, they come. He just want to they watch his wife more than man they fear. When say they give it joy, he go who pay man. I they tell you this matter, it's a rapper. I beg, I never see this kind of one before. I be una don't hear her before. Me never hear her before. I know never hear this kind of thing before. All throughout yesterday, after that woman tell me that the matter they think. Me never hear this kind of thing before for my life. He does not love the woman. He does not love the woman. He decides to use her for business. We set camera before the game starts. I see this comment way. We set camera before the game we start. This thing will come out. That is the business. Okay, madam, you everything. Check this. This person drop here now. He said you will be surprised. The real father and I drop him. He said you will be surprised. Say your husband they use you to they do business. So that he go record that as like say na blue film. They usually they do a business. Evie say the man no love you. And so what me see talk yesterday. Any man will love woman. He no go who agree. Make anybody even fly. If fly too pressure wife near wife, you go they jealous. As for me, the man don't get other woman, so now it go be 50-50. Okay, maybe I say the man if he don't get other woman, it go be 50-50. Because this thing now, the thing they shock me as in things like this thing they happen. I know say married, but this one of the people that they drag who never marry go say one kill himself go marry. So who don't marry now? The husband they actually do rubbish. Because now rubbish, madam, you for your mind, yesterday you say they give you everything you want. Now that one would they talk? Not be that one.